Hello and welcome back to a special edition of Dogman. And I'm trying to keep my excitement down because it's pretty late in the evening there and the rest of my family is sleeping. But I am so excited, you guys. Check it out. I've had the poll open, right? The poll is how you vote. You vote at the polls. And it's been open for about an hour and a half now. And we've got a bunch of people who have voted. So let's go take a look right now. Okay, so I'm at my homepage right here. And let me pull it down so you guys can see it. Okay, Teacher Talks homepage, and if you haven't voted yet, don't forget, go to the video right here that you're looking at, press on Teacher Talks right there, and it'll send you to my homepage. Once you get to the homepage right here, it says Home, Videos, Playlist, press on Community, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you're at Community, and there's the poll right there. Vote for the name of our new Dogman channel, and there it is. So as of right now, this is Thursday night, and I've had it open about an hour and a half. Teacher Talks Dogman has taken a commanding lead with 74% of the votes. Now, a lot of things could change here. I don't know how many people are going to vote. Right now, there's been 33 people who have voted, and we'll have to see how many people total vote. It'd be really fun if it was like a couple hundred people, but I don't know. I don't know how this is going to work. So we'll have to see together what happens. Very, very cool. Okay, here's one thing I want to talk to you guys about. Look, we have 33 votes and only 6 people gave this a thumbs up. My friends, it helps me a ton if you give my videos and my anything that you know is from Dogman, from Teacher Talks, or whatever our new channel is going to be, and our old channel. Anytime you can give me a thumbs up, it really helps me out a whole ton, helps me to better work with YouTube so I can make more and more videos for us. So please, please, 33 votes and only 6 thumbs up. I don't like that at all. So please, please make sure you're giving thumbs up if you're enjoying what I'm doing by making these videos. Okay, guys, that's enough chatting from me. Hey, let's have some fun right here. I'm going to give you guys some thumbs up right now. Are you ready to go? Let's do it. So I see 5 people have left comments over here, so I'm going to click on that. And let's scroll down and let's give those people some credit. Here's the first one right here. Horror reviewer says, I like Teacher Talks Dogman. And I'll tell you, this kid is always making nice comments. Let's give him a thumbs up. Let's give him a heart. There you go. Here's Animal World. Animal World's always making kind comments. And I'll tell you what, I just went to Animal World's YouTube channel just a few hours ago, and got a really good channel. Looks like he's just about to kick off and make a whole bunch of videos. He's trying to figure out what to do with the cameras and the hardware, meaning like computers and all the tech stuff you need to get a channel going, and also trying to figure out that kind of stuff. So it's not easy. I hear you, Animal World. It's not easy. And I'm an adult, and I know it's hard to afford all this stuff. So for kids like you guys, I know it's pretty challenging. Hey, you can let me know too if you want me to make more videos on the equipment I use. I can let you know. Okay, let's go ahead. Animal World, you're getting thumbs up. You're getting a heart. Thanks for being so awesome. Patricia Ramirez says, Teacher Talks Dogman. And I'll tell you what, that one looks pretty good. Patricia, you're getting a thumbs up and a heart. And here's the goat. The goat says Dogman Talks. Very cool. Appreciate it, the goat. And the final one is Son Goku says, I like this one. Teacher Talks Dogman. All right, well, you're getting a heart, you're getting a thumbs up, and there it is right there. Very cool, guys. Okay, I'll check in tomorrow morning. We'll put a little bit more footage on here, and we'll see how much the polls have changed overnight. Okay, good morning, guys. Check it out. Okay, I'm going to whisper because, again, my family's all sleeping still, but it's early, early in the morning. And here I am at my home page of Teacher Talks, and I'll go to Community. Here, I'll show you Community. And then we will check out the poll. Let's see what's going on with the voting. All right, Teacher Talks Dogman is still way ahead, 74% Dogman rules. And it looks like second place is Dogman Talks. 71 people have voted. That is awesome. And getting a few more thumbs up. That is good to see too. I'd love to see more. But that is good. All right, let's see what's going on here. Comments look like the same as last night, but I'll see if there's any new ones. Nope, that looks about the same as last night. So 71 of you have voted. Don't forget, if you're watching this video right here, you probably still have time to go and vote for your new channel. But there's something else I want to show you. Are you ready? I'm already getting the new channel up and going and getting everything ready so it's in place. So as soon as we know for sure the name of the channel, I can get it going and immediately start it for you guys. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, guys, so here's the homepage for the new YouTube account. And I went ahead and I had to put in a name, so I put in Teacher Talks Dogman. And by the way, if that changes in the voting and we go with a different name, I can easily go in and change that. So don't worry, don't worry. And I wrote a little description just kind of saying, hello, Dogman fans, and welcome to Teacher Talks Dogman. And again, we can change it if we need it. It just kind of says that this channel is dedicated to bringing you everything Dogman. All right, let me show you one more thing. Okay, guys, so under the channel settings, making this new channel, I'm going to go under branding. And what branding does is every time I put up a video, we'll know it's a real Teacher Talks Dogman video. Or again, if it's a different name, that's fine too. But we'll know it's one of ours because in the bottom right corner, it's going to say Teacher Talks Dogman. And we'll have that little Dogman picture there. And that way it kind of knows for sure that that's one of our videos here at our new channel. And by the way, again, if we end up changing the voting, I can go back into that picture and I can change it over to Dogman Rules or whatever we decide to vote for. All right, guys, I just thought I'd show you that. I thought that was kind of cool to see. And if you're starting your own channel out there too, that's a good idea, is to put a branding mark. That way, if somebody else kind of tries to take your video, you have evidence that that video is actually one of yours. Okay, guys, it's now Friday morning, and I'm on my way to go to work right now. And I figured I'd do a quick check-in. Check it out, 95 people have voted. Awesome, 18 thumbs up. That's good. Let's get more of those thumbs up. Teacher Talks Dogman is still in a commanding lead with 66%. Second place is Dogman Talks with 17%. And Secret Society of Dogman comes in at 11%, with Dogman Rules only at 5%. Hey guys, this should be fun throughout the day. Make sure you get in there and vote. Put in those nice, friendly comments down below. And tonight I will make a video. We'll explain who the winner is. We'll get the new channel opened up. And also we'll do a huge shout outs tonight too. So if you voted, put your comment down below. Okay, guys, it's now Friday afternoon, and the polls have been open for, well, since last night until about 3:45, almost 4 o'clock on Friday. So check it out, 136 people have voted. That is amazing. I love it. Now, Teacher Talks Dogman is still in first place, has a pretty commanding lead. Dogman Talks is making a little bit of a push right now, but I don't know if they're going to catch on to Teacher Talks Dogman. But 136 votes, again, only 19 thumbs up. Boy, that's a little bit disappointing. So please, next time we do something like this, if you're going to vote, at least also put a thumbs up. Just to kind of say, hey, we like that you're doing this kind of stuff, Teacher Talks, and I sure appreciate that. And just supporting the channel in general. All right, hey, let's check out some of the comments. Now, some of these I've already shown last night, so I'm not going to stop on too many of them. But there might be a few in here. Here's Animation Guy saying Dogman Talks. All right, you get a heart for that. Nice job. We'll give you a thumbs up. That was just a couple hours ago. Here's Russell's Universe saying, I can't wait. Me neither. You get a heart. You get a thumbs up. Nice job. And here's, is it Talon Tree Bar? Could you please do the Ronald Dahl series? Well, yeah, we might do that over on Teacher Talks. Well, this is still on Teacher Talks right here. But on the new Dogman channel, guess what? It's Dogman and only Dogman. Unless you guys vote differently, but I assume that's what we want to do. And here's Teacher Talks Dogman by Cassandra Keels chiming in there. Very cool. Okay, guys, so listen, I think this is probably going to wrap it up for this video. I might do one more late this evening just to see if anything changes in the polls. But we'll have to kind of see here. 136 votes. And again, it looks like Teacher Talks Dogman is almost for sure going to be the new name of our channel, which I think is amazing. I mean, any one of those 4 names would be fantastic. It doesn't really matter all that much, right, in the big picture. And then we'll get on to our next part. But I think the next thing I'm going to do, once we're 100% sure we know the channel's name, I'm going to go ahead, open the new channel. I'll pull all you guys over to that new channel, and then we'll start making a little bit more voting on the pictures and some stuff like that. And then we'll dive in and I'll have some fun making some videos and giving you guys some more choices on what kind of content we want. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. We'll check in with you either late tonight or tomorrow morning, and we'll officially get that channel up and going this weekend for sure. But I'm even thinking we'll probably get it up and going tomorrow, hopefully the first half of the day. Okay, guys, hey, you are awesome. Please keep making those good choices. Please be kind when you're commenting here on YouTube, and those thumbs up are always appreciated. Okay, guys, we'll see you soon.